Hi, people. What?
Stop fucking moving the car.
I'm not moving the cart. The wind's moving the car. Oh no. We should get up and dance.
Dude, stop.
Are you recording?
Why are you so serious? Don't be scared. It's only like a couple 100 feet tall. If I drop my phone, I'll be pissed. Oh no, the wind!
Dude, stop.
You're way too comfortable up here.
Hi, Billy.
No, I thought we were stopping.
No.
Oh my god.
Everybody, stop your feet. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Oh, that's the left. This way. God damn it.
Oh my god.
I have a minute. How about we swing this way and then this way?
I thought he was...
Get off the pole. Get off the pole.
Fuck no.
Pole stripper.
Oh yeah.
Fucking clear. Are we going down? Colorful lights. Cheer up. It's only a Ferris wheel. You can move it like this. I'm not touching you.
I swear to God, I'm gonna kill you.
What was that? Alright, I'm gonna stop this.